Very good morning, students. This is the chapter A Hasty Judgment. We all studied it about our last classes, and today I am going to explain you this chapter as a whole. So, students, what does hasty means? Hasty means quick, you all know, and judgment means decision, quick decision. And we all know that our quick decision always concludes the result wrong, isn't it? Now, this is a story. A hasty judgment is an edited version taken from the Chatterbox. Chatterbox means it is a collection of various stories. In this story, a boy named Jack learns that one must not be quick to reach conclusion. There is always more to a person than what meets the eye. That means what we see is not compulsory that we all are seeing the right thing. Okay, there are some many true things after that also. So initially Jack thought, right now I am not reading this chapter because we all studied this chapter, we all read this chapter earlier. Right now I am just going to explain you this chapter as a whole. Okay, listen to me very carefully. So initially, students, Jack thought that his stepmother was stingy. Stingy means not generous, especially in money. Stingy means, you all know, conjuice. And he did not like her. Later, he learns the hard way that his stepmother was actually saving to get him a new phone. He then realizes mistakes. Okay, so this is just summary of your poem. Okay, so there are two children. First is Walter Howard and second is Jack. Walter was cycling with Jack from the station. Here he has come here to spend his summer holidays with his friend, and he is asking a question. Perhaps Jack's father has married with a new woman who is a stepmother, has come to Jack's life, and Walter, as a friend, inquiring, does he like his new mother or stepmother or not? What does Jack reply? That his new mother is not good. So Walter tries to remark and says that I remember when your father did not marry her, when she was still a friend to your father, you said that she is a very good person. Then Jack gloomily said means, students, gloomily means in a sad voice, in a sad manner. Okay. Then Jack said in a gloomily voice that you never know what people are really like until you live with them in the same house. So Jack says, as if is given some wisdom to Walter, that once start then when start you living with people, you then only you realize that how they are truly are, what is the true nature of a person or those people. So Walter is very still surprised. Why so? Because he thinks that he says that your mother saying very tough lines. It's a very difficult realization, and remember, when your mother was not there and your father was alone and you enjoy the holidays with your father, I don't know, that I'm not sure that your mother was such a jolly person that your stepmother used to be has now become a now not so good person. Why? Now Jack explained that her stepmother isn't nasty. Nasty means, it means not a complete bad person, but actually he hate her mean like saving ways. Jack says that he doesn't like her stepmother, like his stepmother. Keep saving money in some way of others. He doesn't like his stepmother behavior in a frugal way. Frugal means a person who tries to save money by cutting down on an extra costs. Now, Walter, who comes to spend summer holidays with his mother, with his friend, actually his face became sad. He thought that it would be nuisance. Nuisance means a person or situation that annoys you or causes a trouble, place where there was not even grub. Grub means, students, you all know, food. Grub means food. After listening by his friend about his stepmother, that she is so mean, she is not expense money, then Walter thought that he wouldn't enjoy his precious holidays with his friend. Especially he thought about grub means food. He will not get food to eat, he will not enjoy fully. Then Walter was welcomed nicely by Jack's parents. However, contrary to his belief, he was so nicely welcomed by Jack's new mother and father. It was soon lunchtime came. The family and guest means Walter, sat down on the chair, and there was a hearty means good food, varieties of food are kept in front of him on the table. The lunchtime was a happy one. Walter enjoyed the food. The food proved to be an excellent or a tasty food. So Walter think that she must be stingy some other way. Maybe the cost cutting is not food, it would be in some other way because the food is too good. Here the stepmother suggests that since Walter has come to spend his summer holidays with Jack, they all should go to an expedition. Expedition means picnic. So she suggests that there is a place called a Castle Corn, which is actually rock near the sea. So she says, shall we go there? And everybody becomes excited and says, what a wonderful idea, said Jack's father. They all are ready to go a beach. Generally, when people go to a beach, people used to wear summer clothes, having a basket full of food, an umbrella to save yourself from the scorching sun. So they all are ready. So they all are ready to go for a beach to enjoy the picnic. Both the boys were very excited with the idea of Mrs. Trehane. While Mrs. Trehane went to pack the picnic basket, boys went to get ready and she is busying with the picnic basket. She packed varieties of food. The father is also ready to go for a picnic. All the food is packing for the children. When they are leaving, they saw that his father carrying the picnic basket. He means Jack. Jack inquired to his father that what is the things he carried in the basket. Okay. So the father replied, this is our lunch, Jack. Your stepmother took varieties of foods for all of us. Okay. For all of us. Understand, students? Jack used to tell to the father that he used to eat food in hotel, but the father tells that we are having lunch. We are having lunch. So there are varieties of food with ourselves. Your stepmother took varieties of food for all of us. Jack used to tell to the father that he used to eat food in hotel, but the father tells that we are having lunch in the hotel frequently. हम लोग बार बार lunch करते हैं. So today your mother took varieties of food with herself, various varieties of food. He tries to tell his son that why they are not go for a lunch in a hotel. There is a secret trick. We all have fun when they used to take lunch near the sea rather than in a stuffy hotel. Stuffy means packed. So the stepmother of Jack says it is actually nice to sit in an open area rather than go in a stuffy restaurant. Stuffy means packed restaurant, crowded restaurant. And the food is not hygienic. So this is saving way to save money. Jack tell to Walter that this is a way of saving money, what his stepmother usually do. Now she is carrying a basket. This thing, I don't like it now. Jack is very angry. He is saying if we went to a hotel to have a meal, then how much the save? How much she will save money? How mean. It is so little amount, Jack muttered. Muttered means tell such an angered way, angered voice. So he got a back seat with a Walter. Jack is saying, "Who is going to carry that horrid basket?" Horrid means ugly, ugly looking basket. "We all are going to enjoy a picnic near the beach, and who will carry this ugly basket?" "I will not carry, and this is for sure." Now they go to the beach, so they are selecting a spot. Seen beautiful place. There is a blue bay, narrow cliff, rocky area. They all look for a place to sit. Now near the spot, Jack, who don't like to carry that ugly big basket, suddenly Jack has a very helpful and ask for the basket, which he don't want to carry on, or is it some other kind of plan is going in his mind. Father said, "It is quite heavy, Jack. It is full of cookies and varieties of foodstuffs. That's why I'm carrying this basket." Jack said, "Yes, I'm sure, cause I'm not weakling." Weakling means somebody who is not strong enough. There is a whole family has seen, and Jack is continuously want to carry the big basket. Okay, now he took the basket from his father. He tries to show that he is also as strong as his father. Now what happened? They all are reached in the sea waves. Jack had tripped over a stone, and that basket of the food that he was carrying hurtled. Hurtle means fell down from his hand. Then all the goodies, bottles of jams and some other food were fell down from his hand and crashed on the rocks below. How could be so careless, Jack, his father said. Now the father was very upset because he knew the basket was very heavy, full of good food. But he didn't angry to the Jack, because he thought it may angry to the it may be had an accident. This is not on a purpose. Why we so harsh words on purpose to Jack? He didn't scold the child. It may be in purpose, because his friend Walter, he had already knew that he did not like the picnic basket, and now they have come to the restaurant to eat. Walter was sure that Jack has planned for all this. He had carried the basket on the purpose, and he had dripped the basket on the rock on purpose. Jack knew that if he did fill the basket, then they all go to the hotel to have a meal in a restaurant, which he wanted to do. But their parents know that this was such an accident and not a purpose. Now, it means in the restaurant a group of people were come to the hotel and have eaten and finished all the food that was there in the restaurant. And whoever came after those pack of tourists who was the picnickers means the Trihanes and the Walter. What they were have to eat? Cucumber sandwiches, chips and cold drinks. Okay, now such a lovely food she was packed for the children and the family in the picnic, in that picnic basket. And where were all the things? They all were floating on the sea. Walter knew about all the plan of his friend Jack. He whispered to Jack. Now Jack knew that Walter suspected about the plan. What Jack did with the basket all was on purpose. When Mr. Trehane paid bill, what they are have cucumber sandwiches, chips. Then Mrs. Trehane felt sad. Here Jack wanted to say something. He says that this lunch, what we were having than cold soup, even cold soup is better than the lunch. Now father wants to tell the truth to Jack, but mother laughed and changed the topic because she wanted to keep secret. But father says that it must be shared with Jack. Then he will be more careful in future and will not do what he did with the lunch basket. Now what's happened? Now see. Wait a minute, I'm telling you. Father noticed that his son is not particularly happy. There is a hateful look on his face. That's why the father wanted to share the secret that they were saving. Mother said that I wanted this to be surprise, that's why I'm saving all the money. But you told him cat half out of the bag. Cat half out of the bag means half disclosed secret. Well, Jack, you were always tell me to purchase a new phone for you, but I couldn't manage such an useless expense in an unimportant things. That's why I told you to wait for another year to get phone. Jack replied that his old phone is no more use. It's turned as a turnip. Turnip is it is just as a joke. He used to talk to take the about any vegetables name. Okay, so it means we gave an example of this phone. So the father said yes, but now you will be feel that your new phone is cliff down along with your along with our lunch. Then what Jack said? Jack asked surprisingly, bewilderment. Bewilderment means surprisingly. Okay, and here is a bewilderment word is given. Yes. Then there was a phone in the basket. Then both Mr. and Mrs. Trihane have a look, and Mr. Trihane told to his wife, Mrs. Trihane, that you will explain the whole thing well. That why they are saving money. Why they are saving money. Still, Mr. and Mrs. Trihane don't know that Jack did all this on purpose. They are sharing their little secret what Mrs. Trihane had planned, that if we save money, then by not eating outside, we have a good meal in our house. But this we can save our money, and whatever money we save, we will put together and we will purchase a new phone on the little Jack. And she is very happy of her plan, and now asked to Jack that are you approved? Are you happy for this plan? Now Walter's eye twinkled. Twinkle means having tears, because he knew all the secrets of Jack and Jack was hiding. And when the secret was out, he saw that Jack was actually speechless. Jack was feeling shame and speechless what he did. Now stammered. Stammered means, students, what do you understand by stammered? When you are not speaking properly, Jack said that you are so good. Okay, that you are so good, mother, but I don't deserve that of that new phone. He says that he was such a foolish donkey and he is not eligible to take a new smartphone. Here Jack tells that I threw that basket over the cliff. It didn't fell in an accident. Now, of course, Jack's father was very angry. He did not. Okay, Jack's father was very angry. He did not ever thought that his son to do something like this. He was about to scold him, but new mother tactfully managed the situation. She was also very much surprised that he did on purpose thrown the entire basket with full of food, which is full of food, into the sea, just because he wanted to take lunch, have junk food in the hotel. How mean! But she didn't scold him and stopped Mr. Trihane also and said that no, we are going to give you new phone. So she said that if you will be more careful in future as a mature boy, then we are sure that we will save some more money in the summer holidays and we will give you a new smartphone. Okay, now Jack had learned a lesson that never judge a person quickly. He had thought his new stepmother was actually stingy and saving money unnecessarily. But the hard way, through his own personal experience, he learned that she was actually trying to save for a new phone for himself. He did all the work very carefully afterwards, and whatever work was given to him is that done deliberately or dedicatedly. And the phone that he had got a phone, he reminded that never be hasty. Hasty means quick and judgment means deciding. Never be quick to taking decision because sometimes it's unjust. Unjust means not correct. So always weigh the matter carefully. Okay, so this is a full explanation of your a hasty judgment chapter. So students, if you have any kind of problem, then you can ask me. Okay, and listen this video very carefully, students, because you should know the explanation very well. Okay, okay, thank you class.